Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you other sources of content for your Craigslist ads. So in the training so far I've showed you how to Google search for content by, for example, entering in solar panel companies, Massachusetts. So right now I'm working out of my personal IP address, which is San Diego. So anytime that you're using these two methods that I'm talking about, you want to be sure that you're you're going as far away from your source as possible. So from San Diego over to Massachusetts, it's pretty much as far as you can get. So as I said, I showed you before how to locate and create Craigslist ads using the meta title and meta description, and also entering the website and taking a couple paragraphs from the actual website. So that's one way of doing it. A second way of doing it is actually going into a Craigslist. Again, you want to be way, way, way far away from where you are based out of. So I'm just going to click Boston and search in here solar panels in the services section. And we're going to go through, I already came through here and located one that would make sense. So it's obviously at the top, ranking at the top for this ad. And in here, they have a decent posting body. They have some keywords, services, and I just want you to know that Craigslist knows if you come in here and just copy this, copy another ad and then paste it into a new ad. So don't do that ever, because that ad is going to get flagged and your account can get shut down. So what you want to do is you always want to open up a text document and copy and paste into there, and then from the text document you can copy and paste into your advertisement. So again, you just want to do the same thing that you've done before, which is removing any brand information, any specific information to this service person or company. You're going to input your own information, your phone number, and just post it exactly as you have been posting it. So I just want you to know that that is an option as well. For finding ad content. Also, through link exchanges, article exchanges, through 2.0s and PBNs with Qzx900. I have this list of 10 ways solar panels are an asset for homeowners. So something like this, I can even take and create an ad out of it. And again, any content that you have can be sort of an infinite number of ads. So again, with Craigslist, so I'd already changed this to uppercase, but solar, that's one ad. Okay, and again, for each ad, no matter what, you're going to want to change at least one character in each field. So this might say I'm just going to use this as the posting title. So this would be one ad, and in the ad 1.2, say this is ad 1. Ad 1.2 could be, solar, or even, going from lowercase to uppercase, vice versa, that changes everything. So even if I change the L to uppercase, if I come in here, put an asterisk, put a dash, put any character, any change in uppercase to lowercase, that's going to be a new ad in Craigslist's eyes. And one last time, I think I just said this, but you want to be sure to make one change in each field. So that's going to make a change in the posting title, specific location, posting body. You're always going to change your number and spell out one number and switch up between each ad variation, which number you're spelling out. So those are two. Also, If your ads are flagged, as long as it's on an issue with your proxy, you can repurpose your flagged ads as well. Just switch up. Maybe if the ad's flagged, maybe an ad from San Diego was flagged. So remove the number and move the ad to another account that you're using, say in Los Angeles, anywhere else, and just use that ad, again, changing one character in each of the fields, and then put the new number for your new location in there. So there are a bunch of different ways to produce content for these different Craigslist ads, because as you're scaling out, the scalability of Craigslist is really incredible, and as people in the lead generation industry know, you can end up absolutely everywhere. Think of all the different locations that are in Craigslist. Even if you have a Craigslist account in Massachusetts, you can have one Craigslist account that goes through Boston, one Craigslist account that goes through Cape Cod, South Coast. I mean, you can scale within cities. So I just don't want you to get overwhelmed with being able to figure out how to produce all those ads. And again, just make sure that you're staying on top of your data, staying organized with your data in a spreadsheet. You want to be saving all of your text documents so that it makes sense. You want to be screenshotting your ads. I can just show you real quick here. You just want to be as organized as possible. And in your spreadsheet, make sure, if you are, for your San Diego account, if you're grabbing content from Massachusetts, put that in a cell somewhere so that you know where you're getting your ad content from. So again, I have a city, I have the different ad sets, and so I have an image of an ad, I have the different, this is an entire ad set, I have the different text documents. Usually oops, that's not what I wanted. Usually so here I have all of the ad sets, the photos of the ad after they've been published, and then also, the text versions of the ad sets. And I also have a folder for flagged content. So again, I can just pull that out onto my desktop and switch that content out for another city. You can even use a flagged content in the same city as long as you're, changing out the information. It'd probably be safest just to put it in a different city with a new phone number. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.